Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add dual clock on the always on display lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen, and then from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on lock screen. In here you want to tap on always on display. Then tap on the on button, make sure it is switch on. Then we go down and tap on clock style. Next, tap on the more button, and then tap on the dual clock or multiple clock options right here. And at the top here, tap on the add or the remove button to add in additional clock. So in here, tap on add city and then put in the city that you want to add. So for example, I'll put in San Jose, USA, and then tap on add, and that's it. So now if you tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now also, before we do that, make sure that you tap on the back key and then tap on done so that it will save the changes. Now if I turn off my home screen, you can see at the top here, it will show dual clock. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.